Hello and welcome to my video. This is the Lovemore Gold Stainless Steel Stanchion Post set. This set comes with 4 gold stanchion crowd control post stands and 2 red ropes. You will need to assemble them together. I've already unboxed the pieces which need to be assembled. Each piece comes individually wrapped. So I've unwrapped them and I've laid them out because I'm going to show you what comes in this box set. This is a set of 4. So we are in my garage. So when you drive into the garage door will open up. You'll drive into the garage and you will see a VIP red carpet New York City whimsical theme. So I have a mural on the wall, and then I will have 2 stanchion poles and ropes flanked on the left and the right. So you'll have a 2D mural coming out with a 3D prop, and this will give it a fun, whimsical look in your garage. And then here I've added some LED lights along the perimeter. Actually, they go around the entire garage. You can change the LED colors and you can have them change from different modes, slowly fade. But now I want to show you what comes in the box because that's why you clicked on the video. So here we go. We're going to get a close-up look. So there's 2 stanchion poles on this side. 2 stanchion poles on this side, stands in velvet ropes. And again, they're going to flank. One's going to go on the right, and one's going to go on the left of the mural. So let's go over here and look what comes in the box. So what comes in the box, the black plastic disc or the base. You add sand inside of the base, which will weight down the stanchions in the stand, and then you have 2 gold covers that go over the base. There's also some base lids that you put on the base to keep the sand from coming out of the base. 2 stanchion posts in a red velvet. Well, it looks velvet. It's actually flannel. And it has the gold hooks. So there's 2 stanchion posts and a red flannel rope. And then over here, again, it's just going to repeat. 2 black base where you will add sand into those and then put the lid on it to keep the sand from coming out. 2 gold base covers, 2 stanchion posts, stainless steel, and then 1 red flannel rope. Over here are the pieces. So you have D, let's go to D. D, those are the black lids that goes on the black base to keep the sand from coming out of the base. 4 gold sphere balls that goes on top of the stanchion post. Then you have 4 gold ball holders. And then 4 gold plate discs where you attach the gold flannel ropes to, and then it comes with a tool. So this is what they will look like when they are assembled. So you see the gold ball sphere up top with the gold ball holder, the gold disc where the red rope attaches, and there's the stanchion post with the stanchion base. And so we'll have a 2D mural and then real props coming out from the mural to give it a 3D effect. But these are actually real stanchion posts that you can use at a wedding. a theater, or anywhere you want to block off an event for crowd control. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, thank you for watching.